salt, salt, sugar, sugar, turmeric, turmeric, cumin, cumin, coriander, coriander, black pepper, black pepper, red chili powder, red chili powder, mustard seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek, fenugreek, asafoetida, asafoetida, cloves, cloves, cardamom, cardamom, cinnamon, cinnamon, bay leaf, bay leaf, nutmeg, nutmeg, mace, mace, fennel seeds, fennel seeds, carom seeds, carom seeds, poppy seeds, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, sesame seeds, ginger, ginger, garlic, garlic, onion, onion, tomato, tomato, green chili, green chili, curry leaves, mint leaves, mint leaves, coriander leaves, coriander leaves, lemon, lemon, tamarind, tamarind, vinegar, vinegar, cooking oil, cooking oil, ghee, ghee, butter, butter, flour, flour, rice, rice, lentils, lentils, chickpeas, chickpeas, baking soda, baking soda, baking powder, baking powder, soy sauce, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, tomato ketchup, chili sauce, chili sauce, mayonnaise, mayonnaise, honey, honey, jaggery, jaggery, coconut oil, coconut oil, dry coconut, dry coconut, cashew nuts, cashew nuts, almonds, almonds.
I hope you like this video. If you learn more, please subscribe my channel.